On August 20, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and First Lady Mehriban Aliyeva visited the Ganja Memorial Complex to inspect the ongoing construction work. Anar Aliyev, chairman of the State Committee for Urban Planning and Architecture, briefed the head of state and the First Lady on the progress of the project. President Ilham Aliyev laid the foundation for the Ganja Memorial Complex in January 2022. The complex, which will reflect the crimes committed by the Armenian military against civilians during the 44-day patriotic war, is being established on the site of residential buildings and a former park that were struck by missile attacks. Spanning a total area of 4 hectares, the complex will feature a 2-story museum building and an exhibition hall. The exhibition will showcase the atrocities committed against civilians, and the sites of destroyed buildings will be displayed for visitors. Additionally, a conference hall will be created within the complex. Landscaping efforts in the park area will include planting approximately 700 trees, over 12,000 decorative shrubs, and flowers. A spiral crater, symbolizing the impact of a missile launched by the Armenian military, will have a depth of 13 meters. Currently, final construction work on the museum building, the organization of the exhibition, and landscaping works are underway.